Hi, I'm Seth, and today I'm going to show you the steps on how to install a larger strike plate such as a Schlage on a standard aluminum Astragal. A variety of strike plates are included with both your door unit and with your lock set. In many cases, you can utilize the standard strike plate that is included with your Astragal and door unit. Here, the strike plate aligns with the screw boss that is already installed with the Astragal. Ensure the strike plate and screw boss are vertically aligned. Drill pilot holes using the screw boss as a guide. Set the strike plate in place and attach it with the screws provided. In some cases, you'll have a larger strike plate, like this one from Schlage, where the holes in the screw boss don't line up. In this case, we'll go ahead and remove and modify the screw boss, and then install the new strike plate to the correct location, which needs to line up with the deadbolt latch. To remove the screw boss, you'll need a flathead screwdriver and a hammer, and with a light tap, it will come right out. Using your snips, cut the screw boss in half. Reinstall both halves of the screw boss, ensuring that the smooth surfaces face the deadbolt. Align the strike plate with the deadbolt, mark the Astragal, and then drill pilot holes using both halves of the screw boss as guides. Next, with longer screws, typically 2 to 2.5 inch, attach the strike plate. Next, you'll need to install the vinyl cover piece. It comes with the Astragal but needs to be cut to fit. The first step is to align it to the bottom of the upper spring clip and then to the top of the strike plate. Make a mark on the vinyl, and that's where you want to cut. Use shears to cut the vinyl piece. Make a snip on the ends, fold it, and then make a finishing cut across. Make sure both sides are even. Next, take your cut piece and put pressure on both sides and slide it into the kerf with light pressure all the way down until it snaps in. If you're left with a gap at the bottom between the strike plate and the vinyl, you can always simply slide it down to close the gap.